Hello and welcome everyone. We will be starting in a few minutes as there are still people joining in, and I appreciate your patience. And for those participants that are already in, thank you very much for your time to become an early attendees. So we give a few minutes, and once the attendance is everyone is here, then we will start, right? Once again, hello and welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us today for this exciting webinar where we will introduce the latest addition to our product family, the flat drill series. My name is Nana from Account Management Team and I will be your moderator for today's session. Before we get started, a few quick housekeeping notes that I will be covered. This webinar is being recorded and will be available for playback later. Over the next 40 minutes, we will explore the introduction to flat drill, the tool test that we have performed, and also the drill product overview of HPMT tools. We understand the value of your time, so we will do our best to wrap up the session within 40 minutes. And also, I would like to mention that we value your participation and we want this session to be as interactive as possible. Throughout the webinar, we encourage you to take advantage of the Q&A function and feel free to ask questions at any point in time. We will do our best to address them during the Q&A session towards the end. But that's not all. We want to hear from you in real time, so we need your attention where we will be launching a polling question during the session to gather your insights and preferences. Don't worry, your identity will not be appear if you vote the answer. And I believe that this is a fantastic way for us to understand your perspectives, and your 2 cents are more than welcome. All right. We are very fortunate to have an outstanding lineup of speakers for today's session. First, we have Ms. Hidayah from the technical team, who will be taking us through the session today. And following her, we have Mr. Ram from the product management team, who will share insights into the commercial market perspective. Also, I'm excited to welcome Mr. Luciano Pezzota, our marketing director, who is going to kick things off with some opening remarks. Over to you, Luciano.
Thank you, Nana. Just a couple of quick words before I pass it back to you for the webinar. I'm really glad to welcome all our participants in this session, and I'd like to thank them for making the time to spend these 40 minutes with us. We're really excited to launch this flat drill, which is for us a new standard product, but in reality is not actually a new product in the sense that we've been developing these products already for a few years. and we've been successfully selling it in Japan, following the technical direction of the manufacturers that are leaders in this space. And after these great results in the Japanese market, we decided to make this product as a standard. And we are therefore very excited to make this high-performance flat drill available to all our distribution partners. Secondly, we're launching as a standard the version without oil hole, which means the version without oil hole is available like stock for all our partners that are willing to test or immediately to adopt it. But we also been producing the version with the oil hole. So in case any markets require the variants also with oil holes, just let us know and we will be happy to discuss how we can support you. And then finally, and on a separate note, I like to inform those that are not yet aware that a few months back, we launched a new tool advisor that not only is an improvement of the previous one, which allows you to look for our tools depending on the type of tool or application that you're looking for, but also provides additional features and informations like all the cutting parameters and the drawings in different formats for all the SKUs in our catalog. So this is also something that we would like to share to make sure if you've been testing it and if you have any feedback, please share it with us, because we're looking already at the opportunities to fine-tune this current version, and because this is designed to help you with your daily activities and work. Your voice, your feedback is very important, so please, any feedback is welcome. Once you have any comments or suggestion, just let us know. And with this, it's all for my brief introduction. Back to you, Nana.
Thank you, Luciano. That was a fantastic start, definitely getting us all pumped for what's to come. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before we start the presentation, we will launch our first polling questions, and I hope that everyone can be ready. All right, as you can see on your screen right now, there are two questions here. First is, have you sold or used the flat drills in your manufacturing? Yes or no? And the second question is, do you think there is a demand or opportunity in your current market? Yes or no? This is a very interesting answer that I have today. And I'm still getting more voting. So, all right. In 5 seconds, I will end the polling questions and let's see the results together. All right, so this is the result. Fantastic. For those who have experience with flat drills, it's great to hear that you have been utilizing them in your operations and you have grabbed the market opportunities in your region. And those that vote for never use the flat drill, that's perfectly fine. Flat drills might not yet be part of your product range. Hence, today's session will provide a deeper understanding of how these tools can benefit various industry and machining processes. By the end of the session, you will have a clearer view of how they might fit into your future operations. All right, now, without further ado, I'm excited to hand over the session to Hidayah, who will walk us through the exciting new features of the flat drill series. Over to you, Hidayah.
Right. Thank you, Nana. Hello, everyone. I'm Hidayah from R&D department. In the next segment, I will be covering target sector, features and benefit, drilling application, product design, and also tool test results. Please bear with me and lend me your ears as we dive deeper into this discussion. So, what is flat drill? Flat drill has a flat tip, ideal for making flat bottom holes and for angle drilling tasks. Our flat drill is designed to be used across multiple high-demand industries, which are mold and die, aerospace, automotive, general engineering, and energy sectors. The flat drill is able to maintain high accuracy and produce clean finishes, makes it an ideal choice for injection molds and hydraulic parts. It is also efficiently handle high-precision components like connecting parts in aerospace and torch tip bases in general engineering, ensuring flawless performance where safety and accuracy are the crucial element in manufacturing industry. Other than that, automotive industry need tools that can handle complex shape like turbochargers, and it is also used in drilling of cooling circuit of the engine. For oil and gas industry, flat drills is used in hydraulic parts, including hydraulic blocks for hydraulic circuits. The design of flat drills ensure optimal performance, particularly on angled surfaces. We will move to main features and benefit of flat drills. Okay, so for features and benefit, our flat drills is packed with advanced features that provide significant advantages across various applications. Firstly, it has superior coating to reduce friction. This coating not only increases the tool abrasive wear resistance, but also enhances its thermal resistance, making it perfect for extended operation in high heat environments. It allows for smoother chip evacuation, improving overall efficiency during cutting. It is also featured with highly treated gash surface. This kind of features will minimize friction during machining, and it will also lower the machining loads and reduces the build-up of edges on the tools, improving cutting accuracy and extending to life. Another feature of flat drill is 180-degree point angle design. This design introduces a new drilling strategy that will help in minimizing the needs for a pilot hole, making it faster and more efficient, particularly in precision drilling. Other than that, our flat drill also have optimized fluid design as well as unique edge protection design. All these features combine to deliver a tool that is not only perform well, but also enhances productivity, reduces tool wear, and ensure high-quality results in demanding application. So before I continue with the more technical insights of our flat drills, I will pass the session to Nana for poll 2.
Thank you, Hidayah. Yes, I do have the second polling questions and I have launched it. So as you can see on your screen, the question is, what are the expected outcomes when using the flat drills? This is a multiple choice of answer, so you can vote for a hole depth, aggressive drilling, or even for moderate hole precision based on your experience. Yeah, I can see the competitions of the answers here. The percentages keep running. So I will allow another 10 seconds for you to vote. All right, so I will end the poll. And let's see the results together. All right, thank you for your responses. Whether you're focusing on hole depth, aggressive drilling, or moderate hole precision, flat drills are designed to deliver in these areas. Our speakers today, we will dive deeper into each of these aspects, explaining how flat drills can meet these specific needs and enhance your drilling applications. You will get valuable insights into optimizing the flat drill performance for various operations. So I believe that Hidayah can brief better on this. And again, I pass back to you, Hidayah.
All right. So for the next one, we will look into drilling application for flat drills. So it is versatile and suitable for a wide range of drilling tasks, including flat bottom drilling, which is ideal for creating precise flat bottom holes, counter boring on inclined plane, which is perfect for angled surfaces that require accurate counter boring, blind tap holes, which is great for drilling holes that don't go all the way through the materials, correcting eccentric holes, which is useful for correcting misaligned holes. Besides that, Flat drills is also excellent for intersecting holes, counter boring, drilling thin plates, and half moon drilling. In terms of product design, flat drill is designed for optimal performance with key features that set it apart. The first one is in terms of compatibility. Our flat drill is suitable for steel, stainless steel, cast iron, and non-ferrous materials such as aluminum and plastics. In terms of geometry, it is featured with a two-flute design with a 180-point angle following by H7 tolerance. Besides that, optimized J-shaped fluid curve ensures smooth chip evacuation, preventing blockage. The design also incorporates gashland and single margin. Our flat drills is made from Mg plus carbide material, which is more rigid compared to conventional Mg and features a titanium aluminum nitride coating. I believe Nana will have another poll, so I hand it over to Nana for our next polling question.
Thank you, Hidayah. I hope all the audience still have the excitement to have my polling questions. So let's move to the polling questions and on your screen right now. The question is, what are the performance issues you have experienced during operation when using flat drills? Again, this is a multiple choice of answers. You can vote for poor chip evacuation, poor surface finishing, poor to life, hole deviations, or inadequate hole depth. This is a great answers that I see on my screen that I think very beneficial to our technical teams to know this. So I give you another 5 seconds to keep voting the answers. And yeah, still getting the answers. So I'll allow a little bit, few seconds before I end the poll. Okay, so I will end the poll questions right now. And let's see the percentage together. All right, so as you can see on your screen right now, most of the audience vote for poor to life. And following that, we can say that the whole deviation also is the one of the aspect that very important to take note with. And the rest is, I can say, average about the poor chip evacuation, poor surface finishings, and also inadequate hole depth. So Hidayah will explain further on the tool test that we have. And on this, you can better understand on how flat drills performance. Again, Hidayah, I pass back to you.
All right. So based on the recent poll, I will now share the test results, which will be helpful for your machining application. So stick around and watch the upcoming segment closely. So for tool testing, it will be divided into 2 segments. The first one is tool functionality testing, and the second one, we will be focused more on highlighting tool performance testing. All right, so this is the first tool test to conduct the functionality of flat drills in drilling. So for this testing, we have conducted several different drilling applications, including half moon shape, blind pad holes, and drilling at 30 and 45-degree angles. As you can see in the workpiece photo shown, our flat drill successfully handled various drilling applications with excellent finishing. I will share the video of the testing shortly. All right, here we have a demonstration video for the flat drill. Please take note that the audio for this is quite loud, so please do adjust your volume accordingly. So the materials that we are using for this one is S45C. And this one is the half moon drilling, followed by normal flat surface drilling. And this one is 30-degree surface angle drilling. This one is 45 surface angle drilling. This one is cylinder profile drilling. The next one is curve profile drilling. And the last one is counter bore drilling. Wow, as you can see from the final outcome, what an excellent outcome we have here. With demonstration video, all of you can have a better idea on how the tool application works. If you need any help or support, we have experts here in the company to help all of you. All right, so we will move on to the second tool testing, highlighting the tool performance on carbon steel as 50C material with hardness of 22 HRC. You can refer to the arrow at the top of the slide for your guidance. The primary objective of this test was to evaluate the overall performance of our flat drill, which is W15 against flat drill from competitor N, who is a global benchmark competitor for flat drills. The cutting speed was set at 3,400 RPM with a feed rate of 400 mm per minute. We also maintain a cutting depth of 12 mm throughout the drilling process. During the test, we drilled a total of 2,187 holes per tool, which is equivalent to 26 meters of cutting distance. By the end of this testing, we will summarize the testing results so we're able to effectively compare the performance of our flat drills with competitor N. All right, so let's move on to see the initial condition of the flat drills from HPMT and competitor N. You will notice a clear difference in the end phase and also the outer diameter design of both drills. As shown in the photo, our flat drill features a design that appears to offer a greater rigidity during machining compared to competitor N, and a noticeable difference in gashing and fluting between the two flat drills. So here is the cutting condition throughout the testing. The same cutting parameter will be maintained throughout the testing with the cutting speed of 3,400 RPM and a feed rate of 400 mm per minute. So both tools show similar spindle load, consistently ranging from 4% to 5% until all holes were drilled. We will now shift our focus to the testing results and their analysis. The first aspect of the testing result is to evaluate the tool durability. After completing the drilling of all holes, we measured the wear rate of the tools. As illustrated on the left side, HPMT W15 show less wear compared to competitor N. The final wear rate of our flat drill was 70 microns, whereas competitor N exhibited a wear rate of 156 micron. Our flat drill consistently show lower average tool wear compared to competitor N. In comparing the final wear rate, HPMT W15 shows 55% longer tool life compared to competitor N. Regarding surface finishing, both flat drills show similar results in terms of the quality of the holes and also the base. So it can be concluded that HPMT W15 is comparable to competitor N in terms of the surface finish quality. All right, so next one, we will move to chip formation. Based on the photo, you can see that our flat drills will generate a shorter spiral chip with a larger spacing, which indicate a smoother chip evacuation during machining and reduce the risk of blockage. But in conclusion, both also have an acceptable chip formation. So here is the summary of all the testing results. In terms of the spindle load, both tools show similar performance, maintaining a load at the range of 4 to 5%. For average tool wear, our flat drills show 55% greater durability compared to competitor N. And regarding the surface finishing and chip formation, there were no significant differences between the two tools. So in conclusion, based on the testing conducted, our flat drill has an advantage over competitor N, which offer better durability. I will now hand over this webinar to my colleague Nana for next polling.
All right, thank you, Hidayah, for the detailed breakdown. we will be moving on to the next agenda. But before that, we will raise the last polling questions for you to vote. So I hope everyone can be ready. And as in you can see on your screen right now, would you be interested to participate in tool testing? Wow, this is a very fast answer that I get even though I have not finished my questions. So yes, please keep voting the answer. All right. I still receive a few voting. Okay, so in 5 seconds, I will end the poll and let's see the results together. Okay, so as you can see on your screen right now, this is the result. It is exciting to see so many of you interested in participating in tool testing. This is a great opportunity to be hands-on with flat drills and see firsthand how they can enhance your manufacturing processes. Our team is eager to work with you, and this is the perfect chance to fine-tune your operation with expert support. Don't forget, our sales representatives are ready to assist with all the details and help you get started. Reach out to them to arrange your participation, and we would love to have you on board. However, that's totally okay for those voters that say no. We understand that the tool testing might not be the right fit for everyone at the moment. However, if you are curious about how flat drills can improve your specific application, feel free to reach out to our sales team. They can provide you with insight tailored to your needs and guide you through potential future testing opportunities when the timing is right. We are here to support you whenever you are ready, okay? So thank you everyone for the voting. Let's speak to Ram now, who will be bring up a commercial market perspective, and he also will explain further on the case study that we have. Ram, I pass to you.
All right. Thank you, Nana. Hi, everyone. My name is Ram Prabhu, and I'm a product management engineer at HPMT. Today, I'll be discussing flat drills from a commercial perspective, focusing on how we at HPMT here work to fulfill customer needs through both standard and specialized solutions. I would like to emphasize that HPMT is familiar with flat drills as we have been producing it for the Japanese market and have successfully sold it for over a couple of years now. We don't just manufacture conventional flat drills, we also offer specialized flat drills to meet specific customer requirements. Now, if you all take a look at the slide here, I'd like to share a case study with you all. This involves one of our local automotive customers who manufactures knuckles. Now, knuckles is a crucial component for the steering wheel in vehicles. Now, this company, they needed tools to drill holes and chamfer the edges to fit their ABS sensors. Additionally, they also required high quality surface finish and tight hole tolerances to ensure precision. Now, to meet their requirements, we developed a custom oil hole step flat drill. Now, this tool combined with drilling and chamfering into a single operation, which subsequently increases the efficiency and productivity at their workplace. Now, if you all have a look, I hope you all can see this. This is the oil hole step flat drill. This is the chamfer point, this is your drilling point, and this is the oil hole that is integrated for the tool. It also has a different coating from our standard coating that we offer in our standard line. So our team worked closely with the customers and successfully delivered a solution that achieved both the desired surface finish and excellent hole tolerance. Okay, I would like to emphasize that under our standard flat drill series, we have 109 SKUs ranging from diameter 1 mm to 20 mm. With that said, if any of the customers have special requirements, whether it's any diameter or lengths that are not available in the standard option, or there is a need for tighter tolerance, a need for flat drills with oil hole configuration or step designs for chamfering or counter boring purposes, HPMT has the capability to produce these as standard specials. Feel free to reach out to any of our sales representatives for more information on these custom solutions. Our team of experts are ready to assist the customers and provide tailored solutions to meet your specific needs. Okay, so some of you might be curious about what other tools that HPMT has to offer. In the next few slides, I'll share some insights into our broader portfolio of drill products, which I believe many of you will find it interesting and relevant to your needs. All right, under the HPMT drill portfolio, we offer 25 EDPs with over 2,000 SKUs. Our drills are designed to cover a wide range of ISO materials, including P, M, K, N, S, O, and H, with diameters ranging from 1 mm up to 20 mm. Now, if you take a closer look at the chart here, you'll see several of our products, which are considered as focus products. These are our top sellers and have consistently performed well with our customers. Products like our Easy Line, DRS, DR Mini, DR LX have received great feedback for their performance, and we believe that they can provide similar benefits to others as well. Now, one advantage of our focus products is that we always maintain stock. They are readily available. Feel free to speak with our sales team for more details about these products and how we can help you to meet your needs. All right. Among our focus products, here I'd like to highlight one of our best sellers today, the DRS line. Now, the DRS is a highly versatile tool that covers the ISO materials of P, M, K, and S. The HPMT offers this tool in a wide diameter range from 3 mm up to 20 mm. In terms of drilling depth, our DRS line is available in 3D and 5D. And recently, we have recognized that there is a growing market demand for up to 8D, so we are now offering that as well. Additionally, we provide both non-oil hole and oil hole versions, making this as a versatile option that can be applied across a variety of applications. I'd also like to point out that this tool has many success stories with our customers. Many have been extremely satisfied with its performance. And as a result, now we have many repeated customers using the DRS line. With that said, we are confident that this tool can benefit you as well. All right, next in line, let's talk about another one of our focus products, the DRLX, our deep drilling tool. This tool is ideal for customers who require deep drilling applications. It's designed to work with the PMKNS materials, making it a versatile option for various applications. The diameter range for the DRLX spans from 3 mm up to 10 mm, and it offers drilling depths from 12D up to 30D. Now, it is important to note that when using a deep drilling tool like this, like DRLX, a pilot drill is typically needed to create the initial hole. For flat surfaces, our newly launched flat drills, our DRS and easy drills can serve as effective pilot drills. On inclined surfaces, our newly launched flat drills are excellent solution for pilot drilling. If you are in the market for deep drilling tools, I encourage you to try out our DRLX. With the support of our application experts here, we can help you achieve your performance goals. Okay, this is some exciting news. As part of our ongoing innovations, we are excited to introduce the newly improved XQ Alu featuring with DLC coating. We offer two types of tools under the XQ Alu line, the square type, which is our typical end mill, and the torus type, also known as corner radius. The new DLC coating has significantly enhanced the cutting performance of the tool. With the addition of the DLC coating, we observed there is an improved tool wear resistance and enhanced thermal stability. This increases the machining performance as well as productivity at your workplace. Now, the XQ Alu with the DLC coating is particularly well suited for softer materials in the ISO class. These examples like aluminum, copper, brass, essentially the non-ferrous materials. Now, this tool is set to be released in the near future, so please stay tuned and stay connected with us. We will announce the release date soon. Okay, on this slide, we have 3 leaflets. To access these leaflets, you may scan the QR code on the slide. All right, first we have the leaflet for our newly launched flat drill. All right, in the middle, we have our DR Alu leaflet, which includes detail about our latest SKU extensions for the Alu drills with the DLC coating. And on the right, finally, we have our XQ Alu leaflet, where you can find information on the SKU extensions related to the DLC coating as well. Feel free to scan the QR code at your convenience. We'll give you guys some time to scan them. All right, I hope everyone had a chance to scan the QR code. If anyone missed them, don't worry, you can find the information directly on our company website. With that, we've reached the end of my session. I hope I provided valuable insights into our drill portfolio and the upcoming new product releases. If you're interested or would like to try our tools, please don't hesitate to contact our sales team. I'm sure they would be very much helpful to you all. Thank you. Pass it back to you, Nana.
All right. Thank you, Ram, for those insightful tips. As we near the end of our session, I want to thank our speakers, Ms. Hidayah and Mr. Ram, for their valuable contributions. To learn more about our products, you may access to our tool advisor, which is available on our website at www.hpmtindustries.com. And you can also access it by scanning the QR code displayed on your screen. We encourage you to experience the tool advisor for yourself. And additionally, our tool advisor allows you to download both 2D and 3D format of tool drawings. These files help you integrate the tools into your designs or manufacturing plans with ease and providing accurate technical details for better planning and visualization. All right. We still have around 5 minutes. Now it's time for your questions. Please feel free to type your queries in the chat or in the Q&A box, and we will do our best to address as many as we can within the time we have. If we didn't get to your question today, don't worry, we will address the remaining queries via email. All right, let me see what I have today. All right, so are the tools available at stocks? Yes, this product, we do have at stocks. And if you're keen to know more about the stock availability, you can contact our sales representative. We will provide you with the stock list, all right? So I will move on to, okay, Mr. Ram have one question. Let me read the question first. Can we exchange with other coatings? I believe Ram can answer it better.
Okay. Yes, can we exchange with other coatings? Yes, we can exchange it with other coatings. We at HPMT here, we have several different coating variants. With the help of the application team here in HPMT, I'm sure we can find a suitable coating selection based on the application at the customer site. So please contact our sales team here and they will connect it with the application team. And we can help the customers to find the best solution based on their application. I hope I answered the question. Back to Nana.
Thank you, Ram, for your answers. And I can see here, I think Hidayah also would like to answer in live. So let me read the question first. Have you encountered any negative issues that impacts the productivity when using flat drills? If yes, what do you do to counter this issue? Wow. So Hidayah, I'll pass to you to brief more.
All right. So for this one, we do have an encounter with a negative issue before. For example, like the increased wear if it is not used properly due to the heat generation during drilling. So the solution for these negative issues is we have to ensure that proper alignment and secure the drills before use. Besides that, we also need to use appropriate cutting speed and fit. I hope it answers the question. So I pass back to Nana.
Thank you, Hidayah. All right, so let me see. Okay, again, I think this is also something that Hidayah can help me to answer. Is it a must to use external coolant when using flat drill?
All right, so do we need to add external coolant when we are using flat drills? It is recommended to use coolant when using flat drills because we want to prevent the tools from being overheating and also increase the tool life and also enhance the chip removal since it is drilled, right? So, however, if you do not want to use coolant, you need to have some adjustment on the cutting parameter. But in case you're unsure about that, this matter, so you can contact us and get the advice from our application team if you want to know more about this one. So I'll pass back to Nana.
All right, thank you, Hidayah. Actually, I'm scrolling a lot of questions actually. All right, let me see. All right. This is the last one questions before we wrap up as we are already at 40 minutes. So let me read the questions. Do they come with true coolant? What is the steepest angle they can drill on? Hidayah, can you help me on this as well?
All right, so for this one, as you see from the one that Ram has presented just now, for those with oil hole, you can order as our standard special. And to answer whether what is the steepest angle they can drill on is actually there is no limit on the angle. As you can see, if we can use flexible curve surface too, hence the flat drills is suitable even for cylinder body like bars. I hope it helps. So I pass back the session to Nana.
All right. Okay, I still getting more questions, so that is not the last. I will read another questions, and one of our panel would like to answer this. Let me read. Can this flat drill be performed on any other materials other than the targeted materials stated? Sanka, I allow you to answer.
Thanks, Nana. Good day to everyone. There was a nice session going on now. It's a good question. I would like to answer now here. Thanks for the question, Mr. Taylor. So your question is, other than any material that we stated. Okay, I give you some idea. Generally, what we mentioned, the material is the suitable material, but missing material is only two groups in ISO. One is H, another one is a super alloy. When come to H, is talking about more than 50 HRC. It's not recommended. Any steels below 45 HRC is suitable or flat drill can use. Another one is a super alloys. When come to super alloys, like titanium or inconels or even difficult to cut stainless steels, below 35, 36 HRC is also suitable. So this is the general answer to your questions. But if you need any specific materials that you need help and support, please do contact us. We will give you more guidance. Of course, what you see here, we are also making some special solutions to customers. So depends on the materials, depends on the application, we can able to provide the solutions. Okay, I will go for one more questions in the chat box here. Is it any aerospace case studies, right? Yes, of course, we have some special tools in the aerospace industry, follow our similar flat drill applications. Please share your details, application details, and what challenge you are facing. Then we will able to provide you some technical information that convince your customers. Thank you. Pass back to Nana.
Thank you, Sankar, for very brief answers to all the questions that attendees right in the Q&A box. All right, thank you everyone for all the questions, and we will address the left-out questions in a separate session or email them after the session. Thank you for your participation. Before we wrap up, I want to express our gratitude to all participants from Europe and Asia. Your engagement is essential to the success of this session. I hope you found it beneficial. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us and our support team will be happy to assist you. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn for the latest updates. Also, check out our website and YouTube channel where we post tool test videos and behind-the-scenes content from our daily operations at HPMT. Once again, thank you everyone, and I hope that you have a great day today. Bye.